Switchblades.tv presents available at assistedknife.com. Roadsideimports.com presents the black BOKER Kalashnikov Switchblade designed by Detmer Pole. This knife features a lightweight black aluminum handle with a black blade. It's 7.5 inches open in total length and closed at 4.25. The blade is 3.25, 420 stainless steel. Each knife comes with a pocket clip. It's a black Teflon coated AUS 8 stainless blade and a black aluminum finger grooved handle. Available at assistedknife.com. Got questions? I got answers. Email me at jb@roadsideimports.com.